In this video, you'll learn how to integrate Notion with GitHub. By following these steps, you will set up a connection between your Notion workspace and your GitHub account, allowing for seamless updates and tracking between the two platforms. Begin by navigating to the Notion website at notion.so. So ensure that you are logged into your Notion account. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one before proceeding with the integration. Next, locate the settings option within your Notion workspace. You can find this by clicking on the menu icon, usually represented by three horizontal lines in the upper left corner. This action will open a sidebar where you can select settings to access various configuration options. After accessing the settings menu, look for the Connections tab. This section is where you can manage integrations with other services. Clicking on Connections will display a list of available integrations. Once you are in the Connections area, click on See All to view all available integration options. This step will allow you to browse through the services that can be connected to your Notion workspace. At this point, you will need to find GitHub in the list of services. Scroll through the options until you locate GitHub. If you have a long list, you can use the search function to quickly find it. Click on the Connect button next to GitHub. This action will initiate the connection process. You may be prompted to grant permissions for Notion to access your GitHub account, which is necessary for the integration to function properly. You will need to click on Connect again to confirm the integration. This second confirmation is essential to finalize the setup and establish the link between Notion and GitHub. Next, navigate to My Connections to see the integrations you have set up. This area will show you all active connections, including GitHub, and allow you to manage or remove them as needed. After this, return to the Connections section and click on GitHub once more. This action will take you back to the GitHub integration settings, where you can adjust any specific preferences or settings related to the integration. Finally, click on Close to exit the integration settings. You will now have successfully connected Notion with GitHub, enabling you to utilize the features provided by both platforms effectively.